IT procurement can quickly turn into a financial drain for businesses. In fact, inefficient IT procurement and poor practices are costing companies a staggering $1.8 trillion every year. The root of this issue often lies in focusing on upfront costs rather than long-term value. As Atul Bhagat, president and CEO of Base Solutions, puts it, a smarter IT procurement strategy ensures you get the best solutions for your needs, not just the cheapest options. So how can businesses avoid these costly mistakes? First, you need to take a strategic approach to vendor selection. Don't just go for the lowest price. Evaluate vendors based on quality, service support, and security standards. Also, be mindful of hidden costs. Maintenance, upgrades, and scalability can quickly add up. Another big money saver? Optimizing your software licenses to make sure you're only paying for what you use. It's also crucial to manage your IT assets throughout their lifecycle. Track them carefully to avoid unnecessary purchases and consider upgrades well in advance. Proactive management reduces your total ownership costs and maximizes your investment. Planning your budget for IT procurement? Make sure you break down all potential expenses from training to upgrades. This helps avoid budget surprises and ensures you're prepared for future growth. Lastly, don't overlook security. Be sure your vendor meets necessary security certifications and make cybersecurity a key part of your procurement process. For more strategies on how to make smarter IT procurement decisions, head over to our website and read the full article. You'll find tips to help you save money, boost efficiency, and ensure your IT investments truly benefit your business in the long run.